I finally finished my artist trading block, and a little while ago I did a tutorial on how to make one without a die, and it's really easy. And this was the original block that I had used in the tutorial, and I just happened to have used the orange paper. Well, I decided I wanted to actually do it, so I did theme it Edgar Allan Poe, but he really has nothing to do with Halloween. So he's a great author, and has probably been one of my favorite authors since like the 5th grade. So I'm really excited that I can do stuff with him with my crafts as well. So here it is. It says Nevermore, which everybody is pretty familiar with, the Raven from Edgar Allan Poe. And I think this turned out awesome. Here's some legs I got from miriamscraftingblog.com, and they're originally like a brass color, and I made them black, and I think they turned out really awesome. I also used some corners from her store that were brass as well, but I made it black, and that's just some ribbon or lace, however you want to call it. So that's pretty cool. I did the beads. And then on this side I did a raven and a rosette, and I'm going to have his born date or birth date and death date. I just haven't wrote it on there because I hate my handwriting. There's another corner that looks really cool, those brass corners. And then this side says Darkness There and Nothing More, which is part of the poem from the Raven. And here's Edgar Allan Poe himself. Now these little birds, they were like white with attached was like a ring, so I'd say they're some kind of wedding favors. So I made them black so they could be ravens. And I really like this side. I like all the sides, but I think they're all pretty awesome. The top of it, I really like that too. So let me show you the top. I made an old book with some burnt pages, candelabra with the fuzzy fun flock raven up there. I think he looks really cool. And then of course I had to do a little skull with the crown because, you know, Poe's the king of the horror story. Did another raven, and those corners, that's how they look on the top. So I really dig the way they look, but I really love it. You know, I don't love everything I make, and I really love this one. I think it looks really cool, and I'm glad I finally finished it. So I hope you guys like it. And Poe's got a lot more awesome stuff than just the Raven. I've just got to get to it. So hope y'all liked it. Bye.